line dance, starting with the left foot. Section 1. Weight is on the right foot. Diagonal, shuffle forward, right, left, to left diagonal, facing 10-30, shuffle forward on left, left. To right diagonal, facing 130, shuffle forward on right, left. Left diagonal, shuffle, left, right diagonal, shuffle, forward, right, left. Section 2, still facing 130, left foot, cross, rock, back, rock, cross, rock, 1/8 left turn, side step left, facing 12, right foot, cross, samba, left foot, cross, samba. Section 3, 3/4 right volta. You're going to make a 3/4 right turn from the 12 o'clock wall to the 9 o'clock wall. Volta step, right, left, right, facing 9. Left side samba, side step left, right foot back, rock. Right side samba, step right to right, left, back, rock. Section 4. You're going to do shuffle turns. When you shuffle to the left, you will stretch your left arm out, cover your right ear with your right hand. And when you shuffle to the right, stretch right arm out, cover left ear with left hand. Okay? So, section 4. Shuffle quarter left, left, facing 6. Quarter left, right side shuffle, right, left. Shuffle quarter left, right, left. Quarter left turn, right side shuffle, right, left. Let's do the counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4,